when I try to give them advice about eating right, recovering, and training properly. People that told me how to do things right a long time ago, but I was hard-headed and thought I knew everything, like most people I talk to nowadays.
What if I told you that one of Hollywood's biggest stars, at 53 years old, has the energy and physique of someone half his age? Mark Wahlberg, the man behind some of the most intense action roles in movies, is defying aging like no other. But it's not just about his grueling workouts or relentless dedication, it's also about the fuel he puts in his body. And here's the kicker, it's not about fancy diets or trendy supplements. Mark's routine is refreshingly simple, yet incredibly effective. From his protein-packed breakfasts to his perfectly timed meals, every bite serves a purpose. So, what's the secret? Let's take a deep dive into Mark Wahlberg's day-to-day eating habits and discover the foods that keep him at the top of his game. 1. The morning ritual setting the tone. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Grab your phone? Hit snooze? For Mark Wahlberg, mornings are sacred. They're the foundation of his youthful energy and impressive physique. So what makes his morning so effective? Is it a fancy, celebrity-only secret? Or something simple that anyone can try? Let's break it down. First, Mark rehydrates his body and replenishes essential nutrients with vitamins, a dissolvable zinc tablet, and plenty of water. But here's where it gets really intriguing. Why does he follow this up with a triple espresso? What's so special about this morning ritual? Is it just for the caffeine buzz, or is there more to it? Before hitting the gym, Mark plunges into an ice-cold bath. You might be thinking, why would anyone willingly do that? Well, it's not just about waking up, it's a powerful recovery hack that reduces inflammation, boosts circulation, and clears his mind for the day ahead. What's next? Breakfast of champions. What do you think a Hollywood action star like Mark Wahlberg eats after an intense morning routine? Something fancy, maybe? Actually, his breakfast is a practical powerhouse of nutrition. 5 eggs, 2 hard-boiled, and 3 scrambled for a mix of texture and flavor. A pork chop seasoned simply with salt and pepper, providing a hearty dose of protein. Wild smoked salmon packed with omega-3 fatty acids to support heart and brain health. Greek yogurt with berries, a combination of protein and antioxidants to aid recovery. A green juice with moringa, a nutrient-rich drink that boosts immunity and energy. 2. Mid-morning power meal, keeping the momentum going. Mark doesn't stop at breakfast, his body needs consistent fuel. By 11 a.m., he's ready for his next meal. This time it's all about balance and variety. What's on the plate? Chicken breast and thighs, a perfect mix of lean protein and slightly higher fat for sustained energy. Sweet potatoes, a complex carbohydrate that provides long-lasting energy without the sugar crash. Broccoli, a superfood loaded with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants to keep his body running smoothly. But Mark knows that health isn't just about proteins and carbs. He also adds a bowl of mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. These aren't just delicious, they're rich in antioxidants that fight aging and keep his skin looking youthful. To top it all off, he snacks on pistachios and almonds, which provide healthy fats and keep him feeling satisfied between meals. 3. The mid-afternoon refuel, clean and light. At 2 p.m., Mark keeps his momentum going with a lighter meal, but don't mistake light for boring. This meal is all about clean, nutrient-rich foods that keep him energized without weighing him down. What's on the menu? Sashimi crab salad, a protein-packed dish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Cucumber slices, hydrating and refreshing, perfect for hot afternoons. Chicken breast, a lean protein that supports muscle recovery and keeps him feeling full. Mark's afternoon meal is proof that you don't need heavy, calorie-laden foods to stay satisfied. 4. Dinner, a nutrient-packed finale. As the day winds down, Mark's dinner is where he gets creative. It's a mix of indulgence and clean eating, perfectly balanced to cap off his day. The main course. Mark enjoys a hearty steak paired with a piece of sea bass or halibut. This combination gives him a mix of red and white proteins, providing all the essential amino acids his body needs for recovery and repair. The sides. Roasted vegetables, think broccoli, asparagus, or Brussels sprouts, all cooked to perfection with a drizzle of olive oil. 5. The recovery secret, training smarter, not harder. Mark hasn't always been this disciplined. In his younger days, he admits to overtraining, working out 7 days a week and eating up to 8 meals a day. It was extreme, unsustainable, and left him feeling burned out. Now, Mark has learned to prioritize rest and recovery just as much as training. His current routine: 3 days of training followed by 1 day off, then 2 more days of training before taking another rest day. This smarter approach allows his body to repair, rebuild, and come back stronger. He also emphasizes the importance of sleep, hydration, and mental focus, proving that being healthy isn't just about what you do in the gym. 6. Mark's cheat meals, guilty pleasures with a plan. Even with such a clean diet, Mark isn't about depriving himself. He loves a good cheat meal, but he's learned to keep it in balance. His favorites include chicken pot pie, a comforting classic; Thanksgiving-style mashed potatoes with gravy, rich, indulgent, and satisfying. But Mark knows the importance of moderation. He admits that overindulging leaves him feeling sluggish the next day, so he keeps his cheat meals occasional and controlled. 7. Lessons from Mark: start early. Mark is open about his mistakes. He admits he didn't always listen to advice about eating right and training smart. It wasn't until his 50s that he realized the importance of balance. His message is clear: don't wait until you're 50 to figure it out. Start young, focus on clean eating, prioritize recovery, and train intelligently. These habits don't just improve how you look, they transform how you feel. 8. Why Mark's routine works. What makes Mark Wahlberg's approach so effective isn't just what he eats, it's how he eats. His meals are balanced, a perfect mix of proteins, carbs, and fats. Clean, packed with whole, nutrient-dense foods. Strategic, timed to fuel his workouts and recovery. This level of discipline doesn't just help him stay in shape, it keeps him youthful, energetic, and ready for any challenge. 9. How you can apply Mark Wahlberg's secrets. Mark Wahlberg's diet and lifestyle might sound intense, but you don't need to be a Hollywood star to incorporate his secrets into your routine. It's not about perfection, it's about small, consistent changes that can completely transform your health. Here are 3 practical takeaways anyone can apply. Prioritize protein. Mark's meals revolve around lean proteins like eggs, chicken, and fish. Add similar options to your diet to build muscle and stay energized. For a quick start, try adding hard-boiled eggs or grilled chicken to your lunch or dinner. Clean eating over trends. Skip the overly processed foods and stick to whole, natural ingredients. Swap your sugary snacks with fresh fruits or nuts, and choose baked or grilled options instead of fried foods. Balance rest with workouts. Mark's routine isn't about going all out every day, it's about training smart. If you've been overdoing your workouts, take a step back. Focus on recovery days, get enough sleep, and avoid burnout. Are you ready to start? If Mark Wahlberg can make these changes and transform his health in his 50s, imagine what you could achieve starting today. The secret isn't in extreme diets or intense workouts, it's in consistent, intentional choices that add up over time. So what's stopping you? Imagine looking in the mirror a month from now and seeing a healthier, more energized version of yourself. If this inspired you, don't stop here. Check out the video on your screen to discover more celebrity secrets for staying young, fit, and fabulous.